Okay, it's Michael here with Michael's Amazing English. Okay, let me ask you a question. What's up? What's up? What do you say? You say, not much, not much, not much. Notice I don't say not much. I don't say not much. I say not much, not much. So I say, what's up? You say, okay, good job. Good job. You did great. Okay? Then I ask you, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Okay? So I ask you a question. How you doing? What do you say? I'm good. You? I'm good. You? So I say, how you doing? You say, I'm good. You? And what do I say? Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I'm not bad. Maybe I'm not great. Fei Cheng Bang. I'm not great, but I'm not bad. Not bad. So I say to you, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You say, good job. Okay? I say, how you doing? How you doing? You say, got it? Got it? And you ask me, you? I say, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Got it? Got it? Yes or no? 对不对? Okay. All right. I think you got it. All right. So keep watching me. I know you are cool like me. Okay. Stay with me. Watch my next video, and I'm going to teach you how to speak like a native English speaker like me and how to be cool when you speak English. Okay? Bye.